Hey, it's Ingo from KIHD Products. Today we're going to bring you a little video how to assemble the KIHD Reflector Oven. That's what the package looks like once you receive it either in the mail or through the shops. Anyway, now we'll show you how to assemble it. First we'll open it up. It comes in a cotton pouch, in a cotton bag. And that's what it looks like. So we have an instruction sheet and a little package, the reflector oven. We put a little paracord around it just to keep it all together. You can use it down the road or not bother with it. So there's your instruction sheet. And we just have a few parts. The oven comes with, of course, the oven and also a bonus little grill. 2 crossbars, back plate, 2 side plates. As you can see, they're the same, so you can't mix those up. A bottom plate and a top plate. The top plate, you'll see our little engraving on here, and you will see a little tap down on the bottom. Okay, so that's a little important because that always will show the back of the reflector oven. I'll show you now how to put it together. There's a few things on how to put it together. Everybody will actually eventually get their own little method how to do it. I'm just going to show you one very quick way, and you can either do it that way or any which way you want. You have 3 tabs here and you have slots. Very simple, it just slides in the slots. Now, natural gravity, the plates always want to slide down, so always make sure you have the tabs showing down. Just insert it here, right? And the easiest way is just to put the stove like this on the ground or on the table. Just slide your little tabs in there. There's your bottom. Now there is your top plate. You want to make sure that that tab is in the back of the oven. And there it is. Now I'm just going to turn it around here to show you what the back looks like. Here's your back plate. Now I'm doing it a little ways about here, but anyway, here's your back plate, and you see you got a little sort of an upside down T with a little notch here, and you got little notches on the sides. Very simple. You just slide this right in here and just press it down, and it locks in here, and it locks in here, and it locks in here, and then just give it a little push of that locking plate here to the right. That locks it in place, and that's all. There you go. Now here we have the crossbars. They just slide into the slots. There you go. So we have the oven assembled now. Now quickly we'll talk about the couple of settings that we have here. The first setting is the upper setting, and that is used for the grill. Put your pizza on here, your bannock or whatever you're baking. Put it on here and just slide it right in, and you start baking. Now the second setting, this is when we use the bars on the bottom part, the bottom setting. That's when you use your frying pan. Now make sure you unclip your handle because you don't want to burn the plastic. There's your frying pan, and just slide the frying pan right on top of the steel bars. Now another way is putting your grill in first and then put your frying pan in there. You want to do that when your frying pan is really heavy. You have something in there that's quite heavy. That makes it a little bit more sturdy. And those are your two settings. Now moving the stove by the fire. Of course, the stove gets really hot. When you move your stove, you want to wear a pair of gloves. And you see the cutouts here on the side panels on either side. You just grab your stove here and then you can slide it in and out. Make sure you do wear your gloves though. It gets hot. If you don't have gloves, use a stick, slide a stick in here and just move it backwards a little bit, let it cool off, and then you can touch it. When you put your oven in front of the fire, make sure the fire, coal and flames are in front of the oven. Don't let the flames go into the oven. Just use it in front. And that concludes the whole setup and how to use the oven. Now enjoy.